The perimeter of a rectangular farm is 200 if the length of the farm is 10 meter more than twice its width. Find the sides of the farm. So this is our question. The perimeter of a rectangular farm is 200 if the length of the farm is 10 meter more than twice its width. Find the sides of the farm. Solution would be P is given and it is 200. Now 2 into L plus V equal to 200. It has been given to us. L plus V will be equal to 200 divided by 2, which is 100. So L plus V is 100. Let the breadth be equal to x. So length will be x plus 10. And we'll place the value of v here, which is x. It is equal to 100. There are 3x plus 10 is equal to 100. Three x is equal to 100 minus 10, which is 90. So 3x is equal to 90, which is 90 over 3. X will be equal to 90 over 3, that is 30. So the breadth is 30 meters and length will be twice more than its width, which is 30 plus 30 plus 10, that is 70. So these are the sides of the rectangular form. This is the answer, 30 and 70.